now, and it's really funny because I can see like the guy back through this window. I kind of want to wave at him, but it is finals week. I'm on campus with my friend Mia. Right now she's taking her proctor exam, and I'm doing some work for my deviant behavior class. It's gonna be a lot of studying, maybe de-stressing, going out. There's a couple food places I want to try, like that just opened, and yeah.
Hall was, and so it looks like a campus now, and they've been fixing this in sophomore year, so I'm super excited now because like it actually looks like a campus. Alright, it's the next day. I finished 2 more exams and 3 more quizzes, so all I have left for my deviant behavior class is 2 more exams and 1 quiz, I believe, and then I'm done with that class. I'm going to go to the Chattahoochee Food Works, which I'm really excited about. There's like a whole bunch of different places to eat and everything, and that's where we're gonna grab lunch. Then we're gonna come back and we'll see what else we do. But a lot has happened since then. I started One Piece on episode 4, so we'll see how that goes.
I know I say this every time I see him on my screen, but Zoro is so fucking cool. I love him.
Dying of her heat. She got Thai food. It actually looks really, really good. Abby and I got the hippie hibachi. It was pretty good. It's fully vegan and gluten-free, which is what I need because I have celiac and I'm vegan, so it works out. But it was pretty good. The tofu was really good. The shrimp was okay, but the tofu was really good, and the rice. I think if I got it again, I'd just get the tofu. Yeah. It is the next day, and right now she has to go fax this form to GSU Financial Aid. Woo! If you go or are a freshman and are about to go to GSU, I'm so sorry.
Good luck.
Because our financial aid office is just not, it's not it. But we have to go send that, fax that. So we're going to mom's work, go send that out. And so we're gonna go to Ikea, and then I still have one more exam to do, an exam for my gender and society class, and then I have to write a paper for that class and do a discussion post for my deviant behavior class, and then I'm done. Catch you guys later.
I'm finally home from work. I went to work today for the first time in 3 days. I took 3 days off because of finals, but I'm still not done with my finals. My finals end tomorrow, so I take a little bit of a break right now because I'm very tired because I worked all morning. I'm gonna watch some One Piece, drink my protein smoothie, drink some water, and then I'm gonna get started on my paper. So